Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, the camera, and then later the settings. But before we will do that, just take a look at those diagonal lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear. All we have to do right now is to tap on the 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings then. Finally. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera. Here we've got the access to the location, so it's up to you. However, I wanted to show you the camera itself because the grid lines are not visible, and it basically means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.